It was the most fantastic performance these people have put up over the years. 8 gold singles in a row. And we'd like to mention them for you while you're watching these background scenes. Songs like I Put a Spell on You, Bad Moon Rising, Green River, Down in the Corner, Trembling Band, Don't Stop the Rain as a double, Up Around the Bend, Looking Out My Back Door, and Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Wonderful songs full of verve, vivacity, and plenty of drive.
Yesterday and days before, sun is hot and rain is cold. I know, been out waiting for all my time to forever on the ghost through the circle fast and slow. I know they can't stop. I wonder. Can't you have me?